बच्चों आज हम न्यूटन के थर्ड लॉ का वेरिफिकेशन देखेंगे। न्यूटन का थर्ड लॉ जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, एवरी एक्शन हैज़ इक्वल एंड अपोजिट रिएक्शन। व्हेन वन ऑब्जेक्ट अप्लाई फोर्स ऑन द अदर ऑब्जेक्ट आल्सो अप्लाई फोर्स ऑन द फर्स्ट ऑब्जेक्ट एंड द टू फोर्सेस will be equal and opposite. So we can verify this experimentally. For this purpose we have taken two spring balances. See here the spring balances. One spring balance, here it is written 1. Its maximum scale is up to 250 gram weight 250 gram weight, and in this second spring it is 500 gram weight. It is range of the spring. First spring has range up to 250 and the second spring balance has range up to 500. Now this first spring balance is attached to an stand fitted on this table like this. See here, its initial reading is 0. Its initial reading is 0, and between 0 and 25 there are 5 divisions. So one division is equal to 500 gram weight. The second spring balance 0 and then 50. See here, in this scale it is 0 and this 50, and there are 5 divisions between 0 and 50. It means its one division is of 10 gram weight. So its least count is 10 gram weight and the least count of first is 5 gram weight. जब ये एक डिवीजन आगे बढ़ेगा तो 5 ग्राम वेट होगा, इसमें फोर्स की वैल्यू और इसमें फोर्स की वैल्यू एक डिवीजन बढ़ने पर 10 होगी। अब हम इसको वेरीफाई करने के लिए देखते हैं। फर्स्ट स्प्रिंग बैलेंस को हमने स्टैंड पर लगा दिया है, दूसरा इसका जो हुक है, इस हुक से दूसरी स्प्रिंग बैलेंस के हुक को अटैच कर देते हैं लाइक दिस. यू अटैच दिस हुक दिस. Initially put these two horizontally. Initial reading in both the springs 0. See here, initial reading is 0 in first and initial reading in the second is also 0. Now pull the second spring such that the reading in the first spring is up to, suppose that 50. See, here we are pulling by using this hook of the second spring. See the reading in the spring 1, spring balance 1. See here it is up to 50. Now see the reading in the second spring. Is it 50? Okay, note it down in the notebook. 50, then it is 50. Now pull it up to 100 gram weight. See, 100 gram weight. Then see the reading in the second spring also. See the reading, it is also 100. Note it down this. Now apply more force to pull the first spring up to 150. Suppose it is 150, up to 150 it is pulled. See 150. See the reading in the second spring. Is it also 150? Okay, note it down, 150, 150. Then pull to 200. First spring balance is pulled up to 200 by applying force on the hook attached with the second spring balance. Then what is the reading in the second spring balance? See here, it is also 200. Note it down these readings. What you infer by this? See, if you reduce this 150, it will come 150. If you reduce to 100 in second spring, it will also reduce to 100. See here, when we pull this spring, it means we apply force on this first spring balance. See this pulling, and then the first spring balance also pulling the second one by equal force. That's why the reading in the two spring balances is the same. It verifies the third law of motion. Note it down these values on your notebook and give the result. See here, suppose 0 0, you have seen 0 0, then 50, here it will also 50, corresponding to 100 it is 100, 150 to 150, and 200 to 200. All by these you see here A is equal to B. It means the force applied by one is equal to force applied by another, and the direction of the two forces are in opposite direction. You see, one spring is pulling in left side, the other one is pulling right side. So in this way the third law is verified. Okay, thanks.